Hi everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to give the review about my Royal Enfield Bullet Electra BS4 engine. Actually, by God's grace, I bought this bullet on February, eagerly waiting more than 1 year for this, especially for this silver color. You can see what and all I did in my bullet. It's like look like a sometime cheetah, which it is means when I ride this bullet, it gives more sufficient, more energy. Short and sweetly, I can say get as a gen. Every gen they thought once at a lifetime want to buy bullet, want to ride that bullet. Like that they have in Indian youngsters long term ambition. I achieved on 2018, but I aimed from my childhood days onwards. You can see this one. It's look like a royal color, and I changed on that some changes only. I when I bought as a new one, I changed here the bumper, handlebar end point, and indicator top, and headlamp cap. Those things are I changed at the same time. Seat back side I changed. You can see what and all the changes where I did. So at engine point of view, so far I done 3 services only. I can feel, I can realize day by days it gives less vibration. Somebody's gives there on a review, it gives vibration, don't buy like that. Some issues are I can see at a number of reviews on YouTube, but as a user, I can say, as a owner, I can say this gives, compared to any other bikes, it gives better performance, best performance, I can show. When I start this bullet and fix that destination, I can realize before days, older days, I ride on those distance by some other bikes, but when I travel by using my bullet Electra, I can realize how much I comfort, and how much I realized, and how much I time saved. Like that, those kind of parameters I can realized. Also, mileage point of view, in recent days, based on the petrol rates, somebody says bullet is gives lower margin, but I am sure this gives around 40 to 45 kilometers. When you ride average speed like 60 to 80s, you can get from this bullet Electra 40 to 50 kilometers per liter. So that only I much prefer this bullet Electra, because when you are started once you are started by using this bullet, you won't like any other bikes. Also, you need to maintain such threshold level. For that reason, the Bullet Electra is much better compared to any other bullets. Based on your opinion, you can buy any kind of colors. This Bullet Electra comes around I think 4 colors: blue, silver, and red and black. Out of 4 colors, you can choose any one and get rid of this Bullet Electra. You can realize the look, and you can ride from this bullet much confident from this bike. Around I have completed around 5000 kilometers from February to this October. It's like one part of my life. I purchased, I achieved. I'm sure I go with bullet always. Thank you for this watching this video. If you are having any comments, gives your views. Thank you.